Hello everybody, today I'm going to be using a silicone basket. Got a couple of eggs, and with that I'm going to have some jalapenos, ingredients, nutrition, and also in it as well I'm going to have some sardines in tomato sauce, ingredients 71% sardines, water, concentrated tomato paste, salt, rich in omega-3. So with the protein from the eggs and the sardines, I think it's probably going to be a fairly healthy meal. But I've also got a tiger bloomer, so I'm going to take a big old slice of that probably, and going to smear it in a bit of Kerrygold. I don't know if I'll fry it. I might fry it in the pan just to crisp it up a bit, or might even put it in toaster, I don't know yet. And then all I'm going to do, I'm going to part cook the eggs, so probably, I don't know, 8 minutes maybe, just so there's a bit of a crust on top, and then I'm going to put the sardines on top of that just to warm them through, because well, you don't really need to cook them, do you? You're just warming them up really. Well, you can eat them cold anyway, you can eat them out of the can, can't you, because they're already cooked. So just smeared a bit of Kerrygold in there, all over my fingers, everywhere. To that, I'm just going to add a couple of eggs. Probably not done that the right way around, have I? Usually put the jalapenos in first, don't I? Never mind. I'm sure it'll be fine. There's the eggs in. Just chuck a couple of jalapenos in there. Air fry 200, 8 minutes. Go. So just a bit of bread there I've just cut off. Just going to butter that. Maybe both sides to be fair. Just want to put it in the pan. There you go. So maybe not that healthy anymore, but a bit of sizzle for you maybe. Well, that was great. That's coming. There it comes. That's the air fryer done. 8 minutes in. Oh, yes. That looks alright. Right, let's get you over there. So, there's that. This will be different. Can't say I've ever done this before. I'm just going to plonk the sardines on top of that. Something like that. Just a little bit of sauce on it. Oh, well, that's going to taste like. I'm sure it tastes amazing. Fishy. Right, I'm just going to pop that in again for another more 4 minutes maybe. See how I get on with that. There's the bread done, ready to go. Right, there it is, cooked. Definitely different. Whole new experience for me. Can I get it out in one? That's the question. I might have to try and flip it. Try and get underneath it. Come on. Yeah. Another pair of tools somewhere. There we go. Hopefully. Oh. It's landed on a bit of bread. If you made it this far, thank you for taking the time to watch the video. It was different. Not eaten sardines in probably 20 years. So, enjoy your day, people. I will catch you tomorrow. And I'll probably cook some meat tomorrow, to be fair. See ya.